Say good morning everyone, welcome back to my vlog. You hate getting your face wiped, don't you? Look at that delicious Vegemite up there. You saving that for later? Look at this way. Oh, that's so bright. Let's go here, it's a bit better. No, it's so bright. I can't. Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at some cars. Yes, we're still in the process of buying a new car. We have heaps that we really like, but obviously we want to have a good look at a few of them in person, not just online, so that we can really figure out what one will be best for our family. So we'll bring you along today and show you that. But we're just about to have some brunch at this awesome cafe that we always come to when we're in Lismore. It's called Flock, and oh my gosh, the food is so fresh, so good for you. And I've got to show you this display cabinet. It's the best display cabinet I've ever seen at any cafe. It's incredible. So I'll show you when we get there. There it is. Wait until you see this display cabinet. Look how cool. Absolutely insane. You get that one, hey?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Cool.
Look at this. Look how good. This makes me feel healthy just looking at it.
Good as the pencils.
Wow. So beautiful. It looks so much better in person, guys.
我想给你掉进去。
Oh, fresh from the bathroom. Okay, so what did we get? Oh, I don't like this chair. Okay, so Harley got a pulled pork burger and a chocolate milkshake. I got a Moroccan salad and a latte. We'll show you what it looks like when it all comes out. What? It is a decor. Love it. Love it. Absolute. Oh. Oh. Ah. Yeah. Is that a yummy rice? Yeah. You show him. Say, I'm a big boy. Oh. Let's do that. Can you see? It's unsure. Oh, thank you.
Thanks, heaps.
Oh my wow. Yes, thank you so much. Look at that. Oh, that's my Moroccan salad. And this is Harley's pulled pork burger.
Best pulled pork burger in the world.
Say that again.
Best pulled pork burger in the world.
Woohoo!
Oh yeah.
Yum. Ryker gets to share mummies and daddies. Because sharing is caring. Huh?
Is it?
Yeah, it is. Damn it. I wanna like pop it up there. Wow, look at, oh my gosh. Yum.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Oh my. Yeah. Not graceful at all. I don't know why everyone says that on dates women always get salads because it's like easy to eat or something. Hell no, salads are messy. I find salads so messy and awkward to eat. It's like you're trying to shove big lettuce leaves in your mouth. Don't get it. I do love salads though. I would be that chick that would order a salad.
Careful you don't do too much in it.
I got full charge. I'm prepared. I'm prepared for this, my love. Full charge. I just might run out of room. Okay. Lismore Nissan is where we are looking at the first car. It is a Mitsubishi ASX Smart-like. Hallelujah. Don't you love it when you go somewhere and they have everything you want in the one spot? Look at that red Kia. Ooh. That Nissan's nice. That's nice. The windows are so dark. How many? Wow. Car shopping, woo!
Hey, what are you doing?
What car do you want, right?
Very nice.
Do you
Look at
want a Kia? Okay, so the car that we went to have a look at sold yesterday afternoon. Of course. So we're just gonna go somewhere else and have a look. So wish us luck. We're not obviously wanting to buy one today because we want to have a look and decide what one we even like. But we're just looking to see what ones we like. So on to the next car yard. Lucky there's about 1 million.
Yeah.
Remember how I used to do this and think it was doggies? Doggies. What is it? Shaka.
Shaka bra.
Shaka bra.
Shaka bra.
Shaka bra. Look, that lighting shocking. So we went and had a look at a few more cars. Sorry I didn't vlog. I really just wanted to run in and have a good look and then get out of there. But we looked at the Hyundai Tucson, the Toyota RAV4, the Kia Sportage, Mazda CX-5 and the Hyundai iX35. And we love all of them. We literally love every single car that we've looked at, but it was really good that we went and had a look so that we can actually see how good they are in person. So now we just got to head home and have a good old chat and decide on a couple and then just go and test drive those ones and go from there. So woohoo! One step closer to a new car. So we are back home now. No plans for this afternoon. Harley is doing a guitar lesson, so he'll go over to the kid's house and teach him how to play guitar. Ryker and I are just gonna be, where are you? There! Chilling out here, and Nanny is gonna come visit, isn't she? Yeah. You gotta look at this little outfit. I'll grab him. Look at him. It's winter, so he's got tights, socks, his shoes, a onesie, and overalls. How handsome. him like his daddy, hey? Yeah. Oh, I love you. Yeah, so we're just going to be chilling out this afternoon. Nan will come over, we'll probably have a cup of tea and a catch up. Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already so you can stay updated with all of my new videos, and please give this vlog a big thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps us out. So today we are buying a car. We're on our way up to Brisbane to pick up our new car. We had a look like at Lismore at a few car yards and stuff just to see if we liked any, because we knew that there were a few that we liked, but we wanted to see them in person so we could figure out what ones we actually liked. Anyway, the one that we're getting, we didn't even look at. We haven't looked at any. We've just seen them heaps online, so fingers crossed. She's beautiful. So yeah, we're going to the chick's house in Brisbane, and obviously we'll take her for a quick test drive first just to make sure everything's fine, but she's done all the checks on it. It's got the safety certificate, like it's been through the mechanics, everything like that, to make sure it's all good and safe and ready to go. So I'll show you when we get there. Shout out to... Is he okay? Shout out to Carl's for coming down last night and driving us up to Brisbane this morning. Anyway, we'll see you when we get there.
So perfectly cooked, increased, like straight out of the oven or whatever they do, and they put like a honey glaze over it, so it's like a bit sweet. What do you want?
Okay, so we're nearly there and Ryker's losing his shit. He's done so well, but he's obviously ready to get out and stretch and move around. So when we get there, Carly will grab him out of the car and look after him while we fully look at the car, chat to the chick and do the money and everything like that. But we're so close, we're like 10 minutes away. Excited?
Very.
Can't wait. So this is our car. We are so excited and so happy with it. It's a Peugeot 4008 automatic 2015, and it's only got 60,000 Ks or 62,000 Ks. And the chick has personalised plates, so when we put it in our name, we'll change the number plates. But this is the whip. Inside. The back. Car seat. There you go. Click clack. We love it. Oh, that is so bright. Woo! Morning everyone. So it's the next day after we got the car, and we're still in Brisbane because obviously we stayed the night, and we're just walking to a cute little cafe called the Fuzzy Duck to have some breakfast. So I'll show you what we all order. I'm so hungry. Say cheese!
What do you eating?
Sunny.
What do you eating? Huh? What do you eating? What do you eating?
I don't know.
What do you eating? Oh.
Too many options. Mushrooms on toast. Oh, I fucked it up. Yeah.
That looks good.
It is a cloud. Do you want to see? Is it? It's like curry. Do you really? Okay, so we got the, what was it, the potato rosti Benedict. So we got bacon with ours, and we got a Greek salad, and Harley got the eggs Benedict with smoked salmon and mushrooms.
Yeet.
Yay!
What, I'll put them on and then.
Excited? Harley is about to play, what is it called? Omni Arena. Woo! Virtual reality. Ultimate dad shit. Oh. Ready to watch Daddy play a game, right? Yeah. You're so handsome. Do you like your new beanie? Me too.
Progress, good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you.
What does Carly's fit better? So yours is really small. How you going?
I'm struggling.
Getting there.
Got my nails.
So look. Yeah, sexy.
Do you want to help out for a bit?
He's awake. A big sleep. Hello.
This is our baby. So I'll just show you guys how we start the car. So it's got the keyless entry. So we have our key, and you don't have to unlock the car. You can just be holding the key or have it in your pocket and open the door, and it'll unlock automatically. And then to start the car, we have our push button start. So I'll just put my foot on the brake, and then I just hit that, and the car starts. This is our radio. All our aircon and heating controls are down here. This is a touch screen, and then we just have the power and volume here, and we can still use CDs if we want. I can control like the radio and sound on the steering wheel as well. And then on this side we have the cruise control, everything for that. And then down here is all the Bluetooth stuff to answer phone calls and things like that. This car's a European car, but because Mitsubishi made it, it's got the blinkers, like the indicators, on the right side, which is awesome. So we've got the wipers on this side, and then the blinker on this side. The lights are automatic, so when we turn the car on, daylights come on, so it's just like small kind of LED lights. And then obviously we can turn high beam on and normal lights on and all of that. It's an automatic, handbrake, everything. Glove box, not glove box, center console. Glove box over here. But yeah, this is it. So it's got the leather seats, but all around the edges, and then just in the middle part is the fabric. And majority of like the front of the car is like this hard rubber stuff, and then the rest of it's just like typical plastic. Same with the door. This is like the hard rubber, a bit of fabric, and then the plastic. Oh yes. The rear vision mirror has sensors along here, so if someone's driving behind you and the lights are really bright, this dims so that the lights aren't like blaring in your eyeballs. So yeah, that's really cool. And these you fold down, open, and a little light comes on. And then the back seat, we put Bub in the middle because Harley is really tall, and so that he has enough leg room. Ryker had to go in the middle because he's still rearward facing, but when he obviously turns around frontward facing, it won't matter what side he's on, because obviously there'll be heaps of room for Harley to push his seat back. Yeah, the back seat, the seats are the same. The middle seat is all leather, but then the side seats are leather, but where you actually sit on is fabric, which I love because in winter it is freezing to sit on leather on your bum, and in summer it can get hot and sticky, so that's cool. And now I'll turn the car off. No, I will show you the lights first. Oh, it's hard to see because it's daytime, but these are the automatic daylights that come on. So you've just got that strip there. So these are always on, just automatically. And then obviously your high beams and low beams. And then we have fog lights as well. Oh. And you just gotta press it. All done, all off. Okay. Got the keys. This is our boot. So obviously it's a small SUV, so the boot isn't massive, but our pram is a pretty big and chunky pram. Not the biggest pram out there, but still like a really decent size. Definitely not a stroller size or a compact size. And it fits in the boot really easily, all in one piece, so we don't have to take any parts off of it. And there's still heaps of room like behind it and around here to put stuff. So yeah, love it. And it's got this little top thingy that can obviously be taken off if we need to. Ooh. And then back seat, just got Bub's little sunshades. Mind you, the back windows are very tinted, so we don't really even need these, but I think they're cute, and it's still our family car, so I like having these. And yeah, this is the back seat, Bub's little car seat. And there's a decent amount of space, like the seats are wide enough, and the floor space. This is the driving position that Harley's in, so this is pushed all the way back to fit him, and he is over 6 foot tall. He's like 6'3", and I'm probably 6'5", not 6'5", 5'5", and I still have plenty of legroom, so someone taller than me could easily fit in here. And the seats are pretty wide, like I've got space on the side, like either side of me. So, and the other side is the same. So 2 people that are my size or a bit bigger could easily fit comfortably in the back seat with Ryker's car seat. So that's good. But yeah, this is our new baby. That's it. Love it. Absolutely love it. We were so lucky. We honestly got an awesome deal on this car. We did it privately. We didn't go through a dealer or anything like that. So obviously, when you buy cars privately, you can get them a lot cheaper. But in doing that, you don't get warranty or anything like that. But the lady was so lovely that sold us the car. It was her family car, and she got given one through work and just didn't need this one anymore. So she was so lovely, so easy to deal with. We've got it booked in for a blue slip, so we'll do that next week and put the car in my name, and it has her personalized plates on it. So when I put it in my name and we get New South Wales plates, I think I'm going to get the plates that are black with the white writing, because it's a black car. I reckon that'll look pretty cool. So I'll show you those when we get them. But I'm not going to get like full-on personalized ones because, I don't know, it's just not necessary. Yeah, so obviously we're home now, back from Brisbane. We had an awesome time. It was a fun little city getaway for the family. It was awesome to see Carly and see her little place. And it was awesome to pick up our new family car. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps us out, and giving us likes on the vlogs and comments on the vlogs and everything like that. It really helps us out. Helps me to keep making more vlogs and yeah, just share my family's life with you. So thank you so much for supporting us and watching all my vlogs, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Some work in progress, good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again.